Okay, so for your Dell laptops, how to go inside the BIOS? We will need to go inside the BIOS and then we will need to enable virtualization. So we will search BIOS key for Dell laptop. Just we need to click here. It will show us F2. Okay, F2 it will show. In most systems, it will be F2 escape. Both these keys will be working in most systems. Okay, so in my system it is escape. I guess I will click. I will now show you how to go into BIOS and how to enable virtualization. Okay, for laptop for Dell lap sorry for Lenovo laptop you can see here F2 itself. For Lenovo also we have F2 for and remember, there is an F1 key right inside the laptops. Every laptop have F1 key. Remember to turn off the F1 function. If you are not turning off F1 function, please press F1 plus F2. Okay. If you are pressing F2 and F1 is enabled, it will not work. You need to press F1 plus F2 if you have F1 enabled. Now, how do I? Now, I guess I don't need to show you how to enable disable F1. It is very easy. It is on your laptop keyboard itself. And whatever company you have, just search here, you will get here in first result. Okay. Hi everyone, so this is my PC and this is my CPU. I will show you how to go into your BIOS. Okay, so I have already turned on my switch for PC. I will just turn on my, look at this. Oh, I got distracted. Turn on the, sorry, switch, turn on the CPU and it will turn on. Oh wait, I need to press, just keep pressing. Look, it automatically opened. Okay, what did I do? I did nothing here. No, here this is our main window of BIOS. Okay, wait, what was I showing you? This is our BIOS. Okay, in this we have some features here. We can look at here, we can change the speed of our RAM. This is my RAM. I changed the speed of my RAM. Look at here. Oh sorry, I got distracted. So guys, I know how to go to virtualization. Let's just go to here, advanced CPU setting. Here you can see virtualization technology, it is enabled. Okay, just try to explore your BIOS. Please don't change any settings here. Just explore, you will find something like this virtualization technology. If you are Intel processor, you will be seeing internal virtualization technology. Okay, just enable it. Click on here. You will be having option to click enable disabled. Now look at here, in my BIOS I am able to see this arrow. You can see this arrow. In your BIOS it will not show as arrow. You will be using these keys. Okay, these keys to up and down. Look at here, up and down, right? So in your BIOS it will be like up and down. So use these features. I will click enter and I have not made any changes, so I will just click here, save and exit. Look at here, save and exit, save and exit. So I will click here, exit without saving. You do what will you do? Save and exit setup you will do. Okay, so I will quit without saving. Your system will automatically boot up. Look at here, my system automatically boot up. I will just give my password. Done. Okay, done. After enabling virtualization, you need to go to control panel and then enable Hyper-V. Control panel, click here, programs, click here, turn on and off. I will again show you. Control panel, go to programs, go to turn features on or off. I told you Windows gives this hypervisor as inbuilt feature. So we need to enable this inbuilt feature. It will not enable automatically. Click here, click here, click here. Select all of these. Okay, all of these. If this one Hyper-V platform and hypervisor is not able to click, it is grayed out. Don't worry. And okay, all of these are connected. I have already installed, so I will do this. Okay, close. Done. I will try to add one more clip to enable virtualization from your BIOS. Okay.